How to fix Telegram not sending code. What's up everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix if the Telegram app is not sending you the verification code. If you're trying to log into your account and you're not receiving the SMS code from Telegram, these are the steps that you can follow. First thing first, open up your settings, and from here scroll down all the way to the app section. Now just search for Telegram right here. I'm just going to scroll down until I see my Telegram. And once you see Telegram, just tap on it. Tap on the storage icon and clear cache. What this will do is clear out all of the junk files that has been sitting on your app. And once you go back, you can try to force stop this app. Doing this will completely shut down the background activities of the app, and then you can request a new code again. After that, you just have to tap on permissions and make sure all of these are allowed, as all of this is necessary for the app to run smoothly. And after doing all of this, long press on your power button to restart your phone once, and once you restart, you should be good to go. That's it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one.